Alright, what is up guys? So today we are doing the install of my Invidia Gemini exhaust, my 350Z. This is absolutely crazy. I know I said it a lot, but I'm so freaking excited right now. I have it all laid out here. I'll show you in a second, just kind of lay it out. And I'm gonna do some stock revs, and then obviously I'm gonna compare it with the new one. Okay, let me go ahead and show you what we got here. So it's gonna start from here, obviously, for the front of the car, come all the way back, and here with the tips. Now, I know I said it in the last video, but I just want to say how much detail they have here. They covered all the mounts, they wrapped everything up. Obviously, this is all wrapped up before, but look, they made this driver's side. They have all this nice driver's side and passenger side. So this thing is like perfect. There's no scratches. So Invidia definitely packed this thing and shipped it perfectly. So I just want to thank them so much for that, because that is very important to me. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get this install. I'm just wasting time here. Let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so I just finished jacking my car up. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what the stock exhaust sounds like. So I'll get a little revs real quick, and then we'll continue this thing on. So here we go. Alright, so if you couldn't tell, that was pretty weak. We're gonna go ahead and change that right now. Alright, so I didn't really show much of this, but we got the whole exhaust out from the Cat Back. Every single bolt on here is gonna be 14mm. You got 2 there, 2 here, and then 2 there and 2 there. Yeah, they're pretty bad. The hangers are a pain in the butt, but it's all off now. So now it's on to the beauty over here. So hopefully this goes a lot smoother than it did, since we got nicer gaskets. This thing didn't even have gaskets on it. That can't be good. So we got nice clean bolts, nice clean gaskets, and nice clean hangers. So that's gonna be great. Alright, so as promised guys, the exhaust is off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it sounds like without the exhaust completely off. So let me put the camera up and start her up. Oh yeah, just a good shot. It's gonna sound so bad. Are you ready, Ike?
Go for it.
Oh my God. So that's what it sounds like with no exhaust. That's pretty cool actually. So what I see a lot of people do wrong is they try to always start from the back of the car to the front, or sometimes start from the back and then get like the middle kind of, or even skip that. It's messed up. The best way to do this is to start from the back, front of the car, so right here, and you're gonna come all the way down, and everything, if you do it right, should line up with all the hangers, all the bolts. You won't have any problems, won't have to take anything out, and it's just gonna be a lot smoother process for you. So just go from the front of the car back. So I don't know if you can tell, but we got all loose hand tighten all the way down. There we go, right out back. Yeah, I'll show you that. All the way back here. All we gotta do is, what, tighten it all up now?
Put your tips on.
Put the tips on, and I think we're good to go. This is by far one of the most important parts on the car. It's right here. So to tighten your titanium tips, it's gonna take you nice little 18mm. Oh, I was hoping not happen, but that did happen. Awesome. Ah, shit. Okay. There she is. gotta get it tightened up now. I got a bad one. Mine wasn't fitting on right. He cheated somehow. I don't know what he did.
Old Confucius say.
Yeah, mine was bunk. That's what I said. All right, so we just finished putting the whole system on. The tips were a pain in the butt. You put the clamp on, and you're supposed to tighten it, and that's supposed to be it, but it keeps on slipping off for some reason. I don't know if, we're just, dumb, or if these things are bunk, but I think we got it to work for, I guess, now. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't come off. I guess I'll know in the morning. But everything's all good now. Tightened up. All the bubble wrap is off.
Other than the tips, it was easy.
Other than the tips, this whole thing was actually really easy. But yeah, so I think it's time for a startup. Alright, we gotta do this. Alright. Let me get the camera set up. Oh boy.
Ready? I'm ready. Are you ready?
Oh, that smells nasty. Oh, she's stinky. That sounds so good. So I think the next thing I do is definitely get rid of those cats. Open her up completely. I need more pops. What do you think?
Front end.
Huh? Intake also, but I gotta get more out of the exhaust. It's not gurgling as much as I want it.
Intake. Trust me. You'll get more out of the intake than you will the exhaust.
You think so?
Yep, because you can't get any more air in.
That's true. It sounds good. I'm happy. Definitely happy. But oh yeah, she's stinky.
She's running a little bit rich right now.
Huh. Okay. So sounds amazing, but definitely got to do some more things on it for sure. Intake. Ooh, cold air or short round? I'm thinking cold air, for sure. Alright, man. That sounds so good. I'm so happy. Oh my god. We're gonna see what it sounds like in the cabin. I think it's gonna sound pretty good. Here we go. Hold on. Oh, what do we got here? This is a little underpass. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, come on, bro. What's going on, bro? Why are you getting in front of me like that? Still though, I need more loud, you know guys? I mean, I need more loud, come on. Here we go. And I've seen like 5 cops in the last, 2 lights, so I'm gonna be careful here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope I got enough footage of everything that we did. I didn't film really hardly anything of taking out the old one. I showed it in a video taking the transmission out, or dropping the transmission and changing my clutch. So I can link that if you do need help on that. For the most part, I just took it out. I'll put the new one back in. That's it really, it's just a bolt-on. I love it. It does sound incredible. It pops just a little bit, and it's definitely louder and it's definitely more open, that's for sure. I definitely need to get test pipes to take away those cats. I think my next thing is going to be an intake. I'll probably do engine, cold air intake, open up the airflow, hopefully get some more power, even more loud. Go ahead and give it a fat thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Tell me if I should get a different intake, what brand, or maybe another bolt-on you think that's going to add more loud or more power. I love power too. So please let me know in the comments. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that right now, guys. It helps me out so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.